Danke bafethu. So asikhulumeni ngomdlalo we-Orlando Pirates laphana uZakhele Lipasa yabo. So Lipasa bedlala kakhulu lapha ku-Orlando Pirates before i-injury yakhe. Bekhona nalapha kuBafana Bafana. NakuBafana Bafana e-contribute washaya amagoli ngempela bengadlali umfana. Bake bamlona waya ku-SuperSport. NakuSuperSport wenze ey'bukwayo wadlala kahle kakhulu. I remember i-SuperSport beyifuna ukumthenga permanent but i-Orlando Pirates yakuphikisa loko. Yambiza back ku-Pirates. Pirates-ke wafika wabuya but-ke wathola i-injury umfana, then wabuya kwinjury. Mebuya kwinjury but azange aphinde adlale-ke, yabo, cause lapha ku-striking department badlalisa uMakgopa noMabasa kuphela. Umfana bebamzama-ke ulo mfana omncane uRadio Pane, uye banokumzama laphana. But-ke akusiwo umuntu abamthemba njalo, but just before kuphela isizini uye umuntu sebamzama. uLipasa akadlali nhlobo, yabo. Sinokumbona awumapha ne-team before kuqala ama-games ngoba ngiyaye e-stadium ngibukela ama-game. Ngicabanga ukuthi hhayi maybe i-chance yakhe namhlanje khona, nix, akadlali lo muntu lo at all. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempela ngoLipasa. Ngiyazi i-injury yakhe ngiyayazi ngempela, but manje abasayi-announce i-injury yakhe ukuthi u-injured or ini, cause siyambona, ukumbona siyambona lapha e-busy maybe warm up ne-team, but ukudlala nix. Sekunesikhathi ngempela agcina ukudlala. Asazi ukuthi ku-Pirates internally mhlampe khona inkinga ekhona phela. Eyi mina angikwazi ukuthi lama-team aranwa kanjani. Umuntu wavele bamhlalise ebhentshini at all, ama-fans awazi nix, akuna-reports akuna-nix, akukhulunywa nje nix. Umbona umfana lapha ebhentshini noma le kuma-grandstand engakaphinde adlale, but-ke maybe zikhona izinto ey'ngaphakathi esingazazi ezenzakalayo, yabo. But-ke thina asizazi ngoba phela at the end of the day sama-fans. But ya uLipasa, he was adding something for i-Orlando Pirates laphana phambili. Khona i-spark befika naso, bewashaya lapho amagoli nalapho. Ama-fans amaningi bawa-expect ukuthi uLipasa mebuya kwinjury cause the time announce-wa uNdawo mephola kule injury yakhe, just before kuza le yesibili ngoJanuwari kwathiwa ayi noLipasa-ke ubuyile, yabo, kwa-confirm ukuthi noLipasa ubuyile, babuye bobawu-2. But since then silinde ukuthi uLipasa adlale, asikaze sambona. Zange adlale uLipasa. Prefer-wa nje i-strike eziwu-2 kuphela. Abanye abantu abadlali at all. Noma kuthiwa yabona, there was a time, a very long time uMakgopa noMabasa ba-struggle uku-convert ama-chances, ba-struggle uku-create ama-chances, but uLipasa opportunity akaze ayithole, yabo. Asazi ukuthi bokuyi-decision ka-coach or i-decision ye-management ngoba for ama-team amakhulu afana no-Pirates ngeke wazi ngempela ukuthi ubani uthatha ama-decision, but-ke siyazi ukuthi ngeke si-mention amagama, yabo. But-ke asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kahle kahle ngoLipasa. Maybe i-frustration yakhe bowukuthi ku-SuperSport benza kahle, bona bambiza back, and then mebuya akasadlali, yabo. Waya kwinjury, yes, mebuya kwinjury azange adlale at all. Le team le bekakuyo like i-quality, uyabonisa ukuthi i-quality ikhona umfana, yabo. Just nje ukuthi ku-Orlando Pirates ku-highly competitive, but ukuthi angadlali at all, so ayisona. But-ke sobona at the end of the season ukuthi bazo-decide-ani ngoLipasa because kunamanye ama-rumour athi angayishiya i-Orlando Pirates, but-ke let's wait and see bafowethu. Danko.